Lady Gaga has launched a new eyeshadow palette, Love for Sale. The singer and songwriter was always known for her dramatic makeup looks when she first launched her makeup line House Laboratories. She said there were days when she wouldn't feel beautiful. It was makeup that changed her life. And so, as an inspiration, Lady Gaga wanted a makeup line that would make her feel brave and empowered. She also said that House Labs had the inspiration of the early days of her music career in Manhattan. Lady Gaga is known for testing her own makeup both on and off stage before launching them. So when she launched her eyeshadow palette, Love for Sale, she said that she wore the shades from this palette in several events and performances, including the most recent event of Academy Museum of Motion Pictures opening gala. She previously wore and tested the palette at both her performances with Tony Bennett and Radio City Music Hall. Moreover, the palette was inspired by her album and friendship with Bennett, and so it has the same name. Now let's dive a bit into the new jazz-inspired eyeshadow palette, Love for Sale Shadow Palette. The palette has 18 shades in it, and each shade is named after Cole Porter songs like Dream Dancing, It's the Lovely, I Get a Kick Out of You, and many more. The palette also paid tribute to some iconic jazz female singers like Billie, Etta, Dinah, Ella, Amy, and Nina. The palette was made in Italy and it has 9 velvety mattes in it. The mattes have a creamy and silky smooth texture. Moreover, the mattes are super blendable and have adhesion to them. The 4 multi-dimensional metallics in this palette are formulated with an extraordinary cream base. It gives a metallic sheen to the shadows. On the other hand, the 4 lustrous shimmers have a unique combination of pearls, emulsifiers, and vitamin E that creates multidimensional shimmer. And finally, it has a universal sheer sparkle topper, which is a blend of pearls and creates an extraordinary effect that looks flattering on top of all textures and shades. The palette features one swipe with full coverage high-off formula with colors that are universally flattering. This palette is vegan and the cruelty-free formula is made with love and kindness. Moreover, it's a limited edition palette, so you need to be quick to grab it in your hand before it is stock out. We hope you have found the new eyeshadow palette, Love for Sale, a very unique and beautiful one. Let us know your thoughts on this eyeshadow palette by Lady Gaga in the comment section. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.